Hi there, welcome to class. This is Dr. Oluwafemi. Today I'll be handling the biblical Greek, and with the subject I've captioned the noun, biblical Greek noun. Right. So when we talk about biblical Greek noun, it is a word employed to designate, to identify a person, a place, and a thing, an idea. Alright. Then we have three major genders of the Greek nouns. Now, before we go there, under the noun features, we have four major noun features. We have the gender, we have the declension, we have the case, and we have the number. Gender, declension, case, and number. Now, having looked this, when we talk about, we have four features of nouns. Okay, we have gender, we have declension, we have case, then we have number. Alright, so gender, what about the gender of the Greek noun? The gender of the Greek noun, we have three major genders. They are masculine, feminine, and neuter. Masculine, feminine, and neuter. So in this teaching, I'll be dwelling on that. The declension also talks about the grouping of the Greek nouns by their endings. The grouping of Greek nouns by their endings. Now, Greek is a very funny language, because you have to learn a good number of vocabularies and also learn their endings. So that's a lot of endings, because that the declension, we have three main declensions in the Greek nouns. We have the first, we have the second, and we have the third declension. So this will be discussed subsequently. Now, when we talk about the case of the Greek noun, we have five major cases. It could be the nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, and vocative case. However, by extension, there are 8. You have nominative, accusative, vocative, genitive, locative, instrumental, and dative. So, but today we'll be addressing the gender. Now, as regards the number as well, we have two major numbers. We have the singular and the plural number. So let's quickly start the lecture. I'll talk about the Greek noun gender. It is known that a noun in biblical Greek could either be an inanimate object, that is non-living object, or an animate object, that's living. So now the gender, we have three genders. That's the masculine, the feminine, and we have the neuter. Alright, so this feminine and masculine, feminine, and neuter. Now, these three, when we are to discuss them in biblical Greek, they are a little bit different from the understanding we have in English, because the words, nouns under this masculine, they are not necessarily conformed to a male sex. Also, what the nouns under the feminine, also they are not necessarily conformed to the female sex, and as well the neuter also. So in other words, the gender of the Greek nouns don't necessarily conform to their their sex. So which means, for instance, we have a word like let's have a masculine word now. A masculine word like logos. Logos. This means the word. The word. Now this, if I have to see it using the English nouns are gender. The word is an inanimate object. It's an inanimate object. Okay, so it's not living. However, in Greek, it is seen as a masculine noun. Masculine noun. So that's why I said the nouns in biblical Greek don't necessarily conform to their sex. So, and that puts a question as to how to understand or how to know which gender a noun has. Now, to do that is very, very easy. You have to understand the noun and as well the article accompanying that particular noun. For instance, this is an article, which means the, is a masculine article. So to understand or to discover the gender of a particular noun, you have to check the accompanying article or pronoun or adjective and like. So now with this article, it shows that this word is a masculine noun. Now let's see another. We have another word also. For instance, the word for law. Nomos. Nomos, which means the law. Nomos, that's the law. Now, the law in English is also an inanimate object, that's non-living. However, in Bible Greek, it is seen as a masculine object, a masculine noun. So this is a masculine noun. So, how do I get this? It is seen by the accompanying article and as well the ending. Now, what about the masculine noun? It has endings, and we should discuss subsequently. So this is an ending of the masculine noun. So to check the ending and as well the accompanying article, because at times there may not be article to a word, because when we talk about article in Bible Greek, you only have just one article, and that's why I call it the article. So there's nothing like definite article or indefinite article as we have it in English. So the only article in Greek is the article, and it is signified when we have the symbol of the article here. So the moment the symbol is not there, then this word is definitely an indefinite, is definitely in an indefiniteness. So in other words, it becomes a word, a law, once it's written without the symbol of the article. So that's how to address definite and indefinite article in Bible Greek. So the moment a word like this is without the article, how to discover this gender is to check the ending of the word. So this ops, and majorly the article for this, for masculine, is hop. The word hop, it means the. That's from masculine. Now let's see the feminine feminine. Now feminine also, the article for it is hey. Hey. Okay. Now we have an example like let's use a gay, and this means the earth, the earth, the earth. Now the earth is an inanimate object as well. It's not living. However, in Biblical Greek, it's seen as a feminine noun. It's a feminine noun. So we have another one. Let's use the class. The class is A. So that's A passes. A passes. And it means the class. Now, the class is an inanimate noun. However, in Biblical Greek, is seen as a feminine noun. So, the class. Alright. Now, let's say the neuter. The neuter noun. The neuter noun also is identified with this with the article to. Alright. Then we have an example because this was this also we have a good number of nouns that may also be article masculine or feminine as seen in English under this particular group. For example, we have the word like to Aaron. To Aaron is the temple. The temple. So it's an inanimate object. So we have it there as an inanimate object. Let's have to run. To run, which means the gift. The gift. So the gift is a neuter. It's a neuter noun in Biblical Greek. So we have a good number of the nouns. So in summary, it is good to learn Greek nouns with their gender. So as you learn the vocabulary, also learn the gender alongside, because what a Greek noun means might be different from the sex in some cases. So I believe you have been impacted by this teaching. I'd like you to commit to memory, and as well look forward to hearing from you. Shalom.